I think this is a more fun kind of learning for me, and therefore it's super easy to come here because it's something that I want to do, and I know every day that I come here it's going to be something fun and different. The main thing that really attracted me to this program was the hands-on learning. It's really an opportunity for me to figure out if this is really where I want to go with my career, because if I'm unsure about it, I can at least try it, and if I like it, I can just keep going with it. And if I don't like it, I think that's a really good thing to know early on.
Here we learn all aspects of manufacturing and design. We do everything from traditional tools like a table saw and a chop saw to high-end tools like CNC mills and lathes, and we have plasma cutters, torches, welders.
Now I have a broader vision of what engineering and advanced manufacturing is, so I can decide which field I want to go into.
You can get a job in the medical industry, in the civil engineering industry, the mechanical engineering industry, machine manufacturers, medical instrumentation manufacturers. The sky is the limit.
To learn more about our application process and programs, visit Burlington Technical Center today at btc.bsdvt.org.